everyone. Welcome back to Ninja Coder Hub, and I am so glad you decided to join me today for this exciting new tutorial. In today's video, we are going to learn something very practical and useful that you can apply immediately in your daily life. Let's dive in. Most people use Excel or Notes to track expenses and financial transactions. This can be time-consuming and often leads to errors in data entry.
But today we will use Python to track income, track expenses, calculate savings, and analyze spending habits, giving us a complete financial overview.
So if you're a Python beginner and want to build real-life projects, this video is perfect for you. Let's get started. Before coding, let's understand why this matters. It's not just about writing lines of text. It's about solving problems. Python helps us automate calculations, which is incredibly useful for complex tasks, and it also allows us to avoid manual errors. By the end of this video, you will know how to create a basic finance manager using Python. This will be a great new skill for you to learn and apply to your daily life. Let's get started coding. I am really excited to dive into this topic and show you all the amazing things we can build together. Input takes user input. int converts it into a number. We store income in a variable. Now we'll store expenses. This is crucial for accurate financial tracking and planning. We need to ensure every transaction is recorded correctly for future reference. We use a dictionary because expense name is key and amount as value. This makes our data organized and easy to manage. Expenses.values gives all expense amounts, and then sum adds them automatically for you, which is a convenient way to sum up all of your expenses. This is the most important part. Savings equals income minus expenses. Python makes this calculation instant and accurate for everyone. Quick reminder, if you're learning something useful till now, hit the like button. It really supports the channel and helps us create more content for you. This tells the user whether they are saving or spending too much. This is real-life use of if-else logic for managing finances. We use a for loop, and then we use .items to give us the key and the value, making the output neat and readable for everyone. From this one program, you learned variables, input and output, dictionary, loops, conditions, and real-life logic. This is how Python is used in real applications. It's a versatile language, widely adopted across various industries. You can improve this project by adding user-entered expenses, monthly reports, charts using Python, saving data to files, and a GUI or mobile app. I'll cover these in upcoming videos. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications. If you enjoyed this video, like, comment, and make sure to subscribe to Ninja Coder Hub for more exciting content. Your support helps us create more videos. And we learn Python using real-life projects, not boring theory. Comment finance if you want the next advanced version. See you in the next video.